Hello children. Today we are going to discuss class 10th lesson wise assignment mathematics papers, that is chapter 2 model paper. This is polynomials, how they are giving entire all models I am covering in this. So it is preparation of final only. All models you are getting in this paper, so no issue. So you can read directly, but only the numbers are changing. That means little bit models are same, no? 1 mark, 2 marks, 4 marks, 8 marks, as like public examination preparation this is. So you can do directly. See, first one word or phrase oriented questions, simple answers in this dash matchings. Next, statements, assertion reason questions, everything is present in this. So observe this. So first question is the degree of polynomial y cube minus 2y square plus root 5y minus minus 3 is actually the degree, highest power of the polynomial is called degree. Here 3 is there, that is the answer. Okay, so 3 is of that answer. Yes, I am writing answers already, but I am showing the paper. Okay, first I am showing the paper, later I shall show the answers also. See, match the following. Second one, match the following. Degree of the linear polynomial. You know, degree of the linear polynomial means line. Its highest power is 1 only, so it is S. Next, degree of cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means third degree, that is. So P is here 3 R S. P option 3 is the answer. Degree of quadratic polynomial. Quadra means 2 here in this quadratic polynomial. Its power is 2. So that's why Q is the answer for that. So SPQ is order. SPQ order. SPQ order. B option. Which of the following statement is true? Which of the statement is true in this question? Statement 1. If K is a polynomial, P of X is equal to AX plus B, then K is equal to minus B by A. That means here AX plus B is the linear polynomial. Its 0 is given as K. That means we need to equalize is equal to 0. By the time minus B by A answer coming, you know, this is true answer only. Yes, this is true statement. Second statement, the graph of y is equal to ax plus b, straight line which intersects the x-axis at exactly 1 point, namely its value is getting minus b by a. As like previously, it is present ax plus b is linear equation only. That means line. Its value is minus b by a. But in the given statement, it cuts x-axis. It cuts x-axis. Cuts x-axis means y value obviously 0 will come. So minus b by a is 0 is point on the x-axis. So that's why it is also true. Okay. So third one option is both 1 and 2 are right. Both 1 and 2 are right. That means C is the option. C is the option. I shall show answers at last entire. So by solving, you can watch this paper, first solve it, later you watch the answers, so that you will get that easily. You can practice whenever you have a time. You need to practice the entire question paper. So chapter wise will be finished. Find the value of P of X is equal to x square minus 4x minus 8 at x is equal to 2 in the polynomial. See, this kind of sum. See, this is a sum oriented information. So I am going to show that. So P of X is equal to x square minus 4x minus 8. At P2 they have given. That means you need to substitute 2 value in the given x value. So substitute or replace that. 2 square minus 4 into 2 minus 8. 2 square means 4 minus 4 2s are 8. Yes, minus 8. This is 4 minus 8 minus 8, 8 both are same sign, 16. Its value is 16. 4 minus 16 means minus 12. So P of 2 is equal to minus 12 is the answer for it. Okay. Next, fifth question. See children, fifth question. What is the fifth question means? Assertion statement. Already I said the sum of the zeros of 3x square minus 5x plus 4 is 5 by 3 is given. Next, reason. The sum of the 0 of ax square plus bx plus c is equal is minus b by a is given. Suppose first value is based on second formula, so it supports the first statement. That's why this answer I am going to show in answers. Yes, it is D is the option. Assertion D is option. Why? Because assertion A is true, reason R also true. R is correct explanation of A. That's why D is option. Why it is D option I shall show. Sum of the zeros means formula minus B by A. In the given sum, see, A value is 3, B value is minus 5, C is equal to 4. According to formula, minus B by A, that means minus of minus B by A formula, minus of minus by 3. See, minus of minus 5 by 3. Here minus into minus plus, so 5 by 3. So this is minus B by A formula, sum of the zeros. Formula is given, supports D option. That's why it is right answer. Sixth one. Two distinct real zeros are there. In this, distinct real root means where the x-axis touches, it has different roots. Actually, first option and second option, both are not touches. This is no zero, no real roots. Real roots are there. Imaginary roots may be present. It is interlevel oriented figure. But C option is touches x-axis at two different points. They have given that only. Two distinct real zeros. Distinct or different or vary. So two different kind of zeros are present. D option, it does not touches x-axis. So that's why it does not have any real roots. It is having imaginary roots, but real roots, this one only present. And distinct roots. Distinct means at two different points it is cuts at x-axis. So that's why option C. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. P of x is equal to 25x square minus 49 is given. Actually, this is, you should equal with a 0 and form a square minus b square formula. You will get the two zeros. See children, that is 25x square minus 49. P of x is equal to 0. To solve the two zeros, we should equate with 0. 25x square minus 49 is equal to 0. It is nothing but a square minus b square formula. A minus b into a plus b. So 5x square, 5x whole square minus 7 square. Because 5 5s are 25x square. 7 square means 49 is equal to 0. It is 5x minus 7 one time. 5x plus 7 another time. As per this formula, 5x minus 7 into 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. You are going to equate 5x minus 7 is equal to 0, 5x is equal to 7, x is equal to 7 by 5. This is one answer. 5x plus 7 is equal to 0, 5x is equal to, transpose that side, minus 7 it will get, x is equal to minus 7 by 5. So two distinct roots came. They asked, find the zeros only. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means its highest power is 2. So that's why its value, obviously two zeros coming. Two different roots came. Yes. Eighth one. What is the eighth question means? If alpha, beta, gamma are zeros of the polynomial 3x cube minus 5x square minus root 7, then alpha, beta, gamma asked. Here x cube term is there, x square term is there, x term not there, absent. In that place, we will keep as 0, constant value minus root 7. So wherever the variable or constant or any number not there means you can keep 0. That I am going to explain with a explanation with answer. See, 3x cube minus 5x square minus root 7. 3x cube minus 5x square plus 0x cube because x term not there, absent. So minus root 7. Now it is in the form of standard form or general form, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Now the value is a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 0, d is equal to minus 7. They asked alpha, beta, gamma. That means product of three zeros. Product of three zeros. That value is minus d by a formula. So here minus formula minus d value minus 7 by a value 3. So minus of minus plus 7 by 3 is the answer. This is the only 1 mark part, bit part. Now we are going to discuss 1 mark, not 2 marks part. What is 2 marks means? 2 marks part. Here find sum and product of the zeros of the given polynomial. So p of x is equal to 4x minus x square plus root 3 is given. Actually it is not given in order because x square term is backside. So no problem, you can change order. Afterwards you can compare with the standard form of quadratic polynomial, you will get the value. See, this is I am showing as entire paper first. See, because just you watch and do it. Afterwards was the answers so that you can clarify easily. Okay children, just I am showing entire paper first, that is up to 11. This side is there. Next I am turning the page. See children, 12th that question, check whether 1 by 3 and 2 are zeros of the quadratic polynomial. P of x, that value you should take as p of x is equal to 3x square minus 5x minus 2 or not. That means first you need to substitute one of the zeros and you will get 0 means yes it is a 0. If not getting 0, that means some other value is coming, it is not a 0. So I shall explain later. See, one printing mistake given in the 13th question. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial root 5x square plus 13x plus 8 root 5. Actually that is the right question. Instead of that previously I changed that question. 3x given, that is not solving. So plus 13x you should write. So I changed the question also. Next 4 marks question. See, 4 marks question, very popular model. Verify the relationship between zeros and quotients. This is the question. Actually 3 zeros as well as 2 zeros also present in the second exercise, third Roman sums these models, and fourth sum and example 6 will be present. That kind of sum very important. 3 zeros also present. So observe that, very important. This is next 15th question, graph oriented. So just I am showing the paper, and 16th question is given. See, 15th already you have observed, just I am showing. You can copy and do the sum, because bit part I said already clearly, but now this is the problematic part. You can solve later, you can watch. Next, where is toughness is present, I am just reiterating, just I am showing where it is hard. I am showing 16th question. If alpha beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 4. This kind of sums, value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. This kind of sum is not existing in our syllabus, either CBSE or state syllabus books not there, but in reference books it is present, like R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal, it will be present. So this is the toughest sum in this. So easy only, model not there in our syllabus, that I'm telling, but in the examination they are giving. And see, I said already, find the relationship between zeros and coefficient model. 17th one also, this also present, as like 14th sum, this is also 17th sum also present. Next, this is the 8 marks model. I said already, this is example model is present in our syllabus. Very important model this is, already I have informed. Example 5 model it is in the polynomials example 5 model. Of course, this kind of sums star mark is given. Star mark given in this, not from the examination point of view they will give. So don't mind about that statement, because they are giving in the examination pattern. In the particularly SSC board they will give, definitely they will give. So it is not important for exam point of view. You may thought that no, out of syllabus only they are giving. So in textbook you should thoroughly revise all the questions. So 19th question, x square minus 25 touches x-axis. Find the points, hence find the zeros also. This kind of sums, it is a graph sum. So definitely one graph sum, as well as three zeros orientation sum also coming. Now coming to the answers. Okay children, up to here I shown question paper as well as bit part I said. Now question part we are going to discuss. 9th question, what they have given. 9th question means, see, question number 9th. If you copy, it will be easy to solve also. You can watch it. Find sum and product of the zeros of the given polynomial. So p of x is equal to 4x minus x square plus root 3. This is the given question. So what children? This is the question. No? Here answer is 4x minus x square plus root 3. Consider it as p of x. Of course you can take g of x, f of x, r of x, whatever it may be, no problem. P of x common uses. Minus x square just interchange, because in the form of ax square plus bx plus c I wrote. So here a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to root 3. Compare the quantities. So sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta, you know already formula, minus b by a. So in the formula this is minus only 4 by a value minus 1. Denominator and numerator minus get cancelled. So 4 by 1 means 4 only. Product of the zeros, alpha beta is equal to c by a, means that c value root 3 by a value minus 1. So denominator should not keep negative values. So I am keeping minus value. Minus root 3 by 1 means minus root 3 only. That is the answer. Now 10th question, see, sum of the zeros they asked. Find the quadratic polynomial as sum and product of its zeros given 0, root 3 respectively. That means orderly they have given sum of the zeros value is 0. Product value is root 3. So we need to find the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. This kind of sums in state syllabus. In state syllabus, second Roman 2.2 second Roman sums these are. Directly this is value just changed. 0 root 5 is present. Here root 3 is given. Just numbers will be changed. That's what I said already previously. 10th question. See, Sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta. Here alpha value is 0 given. Product of the zeros, alpha beta is root 3. Now to find out the quadratic polynomial, this is the formula, k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Next, k into here x square, alpha plus beta value already given in the question, 0 into x plus root 3, alpha beta value root 3. So k into x square minus 0 into x means 0 only, no need to consider this 0 value, plus root 3. Afterwards leave that 0 value, k into x square plus root 3. Put k is equal to 1, so 1 into x square plus root 3. Therefore x square plus root 3 is a quadratic polynomial. It is a required polynomial. Next, in the 11th question, see, number of zeros not asked. Find the adjacent figure, find the zeros asked. That means where it cuts x-axis, those are zeros. That means this curve is there now, given figure, curve is there. That curve cuts x-axis at minus 2, 0, comma 3. Those are the 3 zeros. Okay children, this kind of sums, generally they'll ask number of zeros, sometimes they'll ask number of zeros also. That means 3 zeros, there's those. What are those means? I said already, minus 2, 0, comma 3. These are 3 zeros. Sometimes they'll ask number of zeros. Number of zeros means 3. See children, check whether 1 by 3 and 2 are zeros of the quadratic polynomial 3x square minus 5x minus 2 are not. That means you need to substitute this value 1 by 3 in the given polynomial. That means in the place of x, we are replacing that one time and 2 also another time. Just see answer. P of x is equal to 3x square minus 5x minus 2. P of 1 by 3. In the place of x, you substitute 1 by 3. So 3 into 1 by 3 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 3 minus 2. So 3 into 1 by 3 square means 1 square means 1 only. 3 square means 9. Minus 5 into 1 by 3. 5 ones are 5. 5 by 3 minus 2. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. So 1 by 3 getting answer here down. Minus 5 by 3 minus 2. Minus 5 by 3 minus 2. So you do LCM for these, all these 3 only LCM. So 1 minus 5 minus 2 threes are 6. So minus 6 coming. Now 1 minus, these are two negative numbers. Add these 5 comma 6, add 11 will come. But negative sign, both are negative sign. So 1 minus 11 by 3 is the, yes, down you see. 1 minus 11 means minus 10 by 3. Actually 10 by 3 minus 10 by 3, it is not a 0, you know already. It is not a 0. That's why some value coming. That's why 1 by 3 is not a 0. Actually we will discuss this in a next content. P of 2, 3 into 2 square. Instead of 1 by 3, here 2 we are going to substitute. 3 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 2. 3 into 2 square means 4. Minus 5 2s are 10. Minus 2. See here 3 4s are 12. Minus this and this value add. Because both are same sign. Add. Minus 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So 1 by 3 is not a 0. Because the value is 0 is not getting. Here while you are substituting 2, we got 0. So 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. That is the 12th question answer. See children, 13th. This is the last 2 marks question oriented. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial root 5x square plus 13x plus 8 root 5. So that is the C question. Answer. P of x is equal to root 5x square plus 13x plus 8 root 5. You know already extreme terms multiply root 5x square into 8 root 5. 8 5s are 40. Why? Because root 5 5 value coming. 8 into 5 means 40. 8 5s are 40 x square. Now split this 5x plus 8x. Suppose 5, you are doing addition means you will get the middle term. If you are multiplying, yes, with red pen I wrote 5x into 3x means 5 8s are 40, x into x, x square. You are adding means 5x plus 8x means 13x. So split this method. Yeah, that is the splitting the middle term, you know already. Root 5x square. This 13x written as 5x plus 8x plus 8 root 5. In these two, you take root 5x. So the remaining value x will come, because if you are multiplying root 5, x into x, x square getting same. Root 5 into root 5 means 5 only coming. So beside x is there. So root 5 into root 5, 5x actually. Here x is there, no? So you take common in these two, 8. What are the remaining terms? X plus root 5, because 8 is taking common. So x plus root 5 and x plus root 5 both are common in these. Take outside root 5x plus 8. So p of x is equal to 0. We asked yes in the given question. Values asked x plus root 5 into root 5x plus 8 is equal to 0. So we are comparing with 0. X plus root 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus root 5. Root 5x plus 8 is equal to 0. Root 5x is equal to minus 8. X is equal to minus 8 by root 5. These are the two values. Find the zeros asked, no? Two zeros are given. Yes. In section 3, 4 marks question. Here, as like in the public examination, 4 marks questions also there, no? So 14th question, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 6x square plus 11x plus 3 and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. This kind of sums already you might have done those, because it's very important question. Sometimes this is giving as 8 marks question also. Okay children, now watch. That answer is 6x square. Take p of x is equal to 6x square plus 11x plus 3. So extreme terms 6x square into 3. This one and this one. Extreme terms means end terms is equal to 6 3s are 18x square. Split the middle term as 9 2s are 18 x into x, x square. Suppose you are adding means 9x plus 2x, 11x coming, middle term. Okay. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is equal to 6, b is equal to 11, c is equal to 3. 6x square plus 9x plus 2x plus 3. Take common 3x in these two. 3x into 2x plus 3 plus 1 into, because in these two there is no common number. So 1 only you can take common. 1 into 2x plus 3. Now both these 2x plus 3 is common. Take out 2x plus 3. 3x plus 1, because 3x this is remaining, here remaining is 1. So 3x plus 1. We need to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. So p of x is equal to, we should equate with 0. P of x is equal to 0. 2x plus 3 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. To x is equal to minus 3, because transpose that side minus becomes, this plus becomes minus. X is equal to minus 3 by 2, because multiplication this side divides. So this is alpha. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to plus 1 becomes minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 3, because it multiplies that side divides. This is alpha, this is beta. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to, alpha plus beta means already we know that this is minus 3 by 2 alpha. Another 0 beta, because quadratic polynomial means two zeros are there. Those are two zeros means two solutions or two roots. That is alpha, another one beta. Two roots, that means minus 3 by 2 plus of minus 1 by 3. Minus 3 by 2 plus into minus, minus 1 by 3. Do LCM for this. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 minus c. 3 3s are 9, because 2 3s are 6. 3 into 3 means minus 9 coming. And minus 2 into 1. So 6 3 2s are 6, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, minus 9, minus 2 means total minus 11. Minus 11 by 6. This is the sum of the zeros. As per formula, sum of the zeros minus b by a, that is minus 11 by 6. Already we know that b value 11. So a value 6, minus 11 by 6 we got. Product of the zeros, alpha beta, minus 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. Here numerator 3 and denominator 3 will be cancelled. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Minus into minus plus. 1 1s are 1 only. 2 1s are 2. C by A, according to the formula, C by A, C value 3, A value already we know that 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So 1 by 2. Therefore, here 1 by 2, 1 by 2 came. Previously, sum of the zeros minus 11 by 6 and 11 by 6. Therefore, the relationship between zeros and coefficients are verified. This is one kind of sum. Next, 15th question, graphical question is given. In the given graph, in a general given polynomial p of x of degree n, the graph of y is equal to p of x intersect the x-axis at most dash points. Dash points means in the general given polynomial, nth degree is given. Degree nth. Nth degree means n points will be present. Y is equal to p of x. That is n degree. Suppose linear polynomial means degree 1. Its zeros will be 1. Quadratic polynomial degree is 2. So 2 zeros will be there. Cubic polynomial means degree 3. So 3 will be there. So here nth polynomial, so n points will be present. Next, in the given question, see the diagram, the number of zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means ax square plus bx plus c. In this case, 2 zeros at the same point only, because it touches at point A. Quadratic polynomial parabola will come. Yes, this is a parabola. 2 zeros are same. 2 zeros are same. Next, write different solution for a straight line y is equal to 4x minus 5. For that, see, you can take your own points. You can take any number of points. x0 take 4 into 0 minus 5. 4 zeros are 0 minus 5. So minus 5 y value minus 5 getting. So 0 comma minus 5 1 point. Another y is equal to, say y is equal to, here y is equal to 4x minus 5 now. In the place of x, keep 1. 4 into 1, 4 1s are 4, minus 4 1s are 4, minus 5. So it will be getting minus 1. So that value is, see, that value minus 1. So we got 1 comma minus 1 is the point. Next, keep 2, x value is 2. So y is equal to 4 into 2 minus 5. 4 2s are 8 minus 5. Y is equal to 3 coming. 8 minus 5 means 3. So 3 different points asked. We have found that already. 0 comma minus 5, 1 comma minus 1, 2 comma 3. These are the points. Next, in the given question, another one more point is given. That is, in fact, for any quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. C not 0. A is not equal to 0. The graph of corresponding equation y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c shows if a is greater than 0. A is greater than 0 means it will be coming upward. Coming upward at 2 different points are coming. Parabola coming, upward opening diagram will come. Yes, that is the graph. So 16th question, this is the twisted question as per R.D. Sharma model given. So these are CBSE model question. If alpha beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 4, find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. This is the given question. See children, p of x is equal to, see, p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 4 now. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. So ax square plus bx plus c means a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 4. Sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta minus b by a. That means here minus formula minus, this is b value minus 1 by a value 1, you know. So minus of minus plus 1, 1 by 1 means 1 only. So product of the zeros means alpha beta, that value as per formula c by a. This is c value minus 4, substitute minus 4, a value 1, minus 4 by 1 means minus 4. But they are asking in the given sum 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. LCM do alpha beta are different numbers, so alpha beta is the LCM for this. Beta plus alpha, because reverse LCM, beta plus alpha minus alpha beta. But this is beta plus alpha or alpha plus beta, you can write. Alpha plus beta value is how much we got? That is 1. Alpha plus beta 1. 1. Denominator alpha beta value, that is product minus 4 you got. This is, yes, we got that. Minus, here minus. What is the alpha beta value? Again minus 4. So you should not keep the negative value in denominator. So keep up minus 1 by 4. This is minus it minus plus 4. Minus 1. Now do LCM. Here 4 is the LCM. Minus 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 16 by 4. 16 minus 1 means 15 by 4 is the answer. This is the answer. 17th question. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x, and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. This is as like 14th sum only, 14th model, but I shall explain that also. See, because entire paper I am going to explain, so better to practice first, afterwards watch the solutions, so that it will be helpful for you. If not getting means you can do by watching this video. Okay, so practice first model paper. That's why it's very important for public exam point of view. So that's why I'm telling this question. Okay, 17th, see, that is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. This is the one question. What this means? See children, 6x square, orderly keep 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So split the middle term. To get the split the middle term, what we should do? Extreme term, 6 3s are 18, you know. 6 into 3, 18. So sign means minus 18. Sum of the zeros means it is another way I am telling. Minus 7, no. 9 2s are 18. Minus 9 plus 2 means 7, minus 7 getting. Minus 9 into 2 means like this. So 6x square, see, 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Minus 3 you will get. So take common in these two. 3x. 3x you can take common. 3 2s are 6. X into x square. 3 3s are 9. 9, but sign is minus, so minus 9x. In these two there is no common. You can take 1 into 2x minus 3. 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 is common in these two. So after taking 3x plus 1 is there. We want zeros of these two. P of x is equal to, we should equate with the polynomial. P of x is equal to 0. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 one time. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 another time. 3x is equal to plus 1 becomes minus 1. 2x is equal to minus 3 becomes plus 3. Here x is equal to minus 1 by 3, because this is multiplied, that side divides. Here also 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2 coming, because it is divides this side. Okay, multiplication means this side divides. Alpha is equal to minus 1 by 3, beta is equal to 3 by 2 came. You take as alpha one root, another one is beta. So 2 zeros. Sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So do the LCM. 6 coming, minus 2 plus 9. So 9 minus 2 means 7 by 6. Product of the zeros, alpha beta. This means minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. 3 get cancelled. Actually, you can multiply or otherwise you can cancel, no problem. 3 1s are 3 minus 3 by 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. That is minus 1 by 2. Now, as per formula, in a expansion form, for 8 marks question, I did like this as a big question. The product, see, 6x square, a value 6, b value minus 7, c is equal to minus 3. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta minus b by a. This is formula minus b value minus 7 by a value means 6, you know. So this is minus into minus plus 7 by 6 got. Previously we got 7 by 6 and this one also 7 by 6. That is sum of the zeros one way. It is formula way 7 by 6. Product of the zeros alpha beta is equal to c by a. This is c value how much? Minus 3. A value 2. So minus 3 by 2 means 3. See, this value is we got. See children, a value 6 now. So minus 3 by 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So minus 1 by 2 got. Therefore, the relationship between zeros and coefficients are verified. The relationship between zeros and coefficients are verified. This kind of some why I expanded in 2 ways means it is coming as 8 marks. So that's why you should expand it in 2 different way. One attempt I did not do sum of the zeros and product of the zeros separately. I did as per formula and as per adding roots I did. See 18th question, verify that 3 minus 1 by minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomials. This is verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients type model. So this is example 5th. This is 4 marks, not 8 marks question. So it is already given example 5 in the state syllabus 44 page number. So you can solve this clearly. See children, comparing the given polynomial with the given polynomial with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. We get a is equal to 3 because a is equal to 3 here, b is equal to minus 5. See, that is the question, given question you have observed in the paper. B is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 11. Here minus sign is there, continuation 11 there. So d is equal to minus 3. So in this way we need to substitute because in the given question p of 3 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square minus 11 into 3 minus 3. So 3 cube means here actually 3 cube means 27 into 3 means 81. 3 square means 9. 9 5s are 45 minus 45. Next minus 11 3s are 33 minus 3. Here entire you add, this is 81. Here minus 81 will come 0. P of minus 1 3 into minus 1 cube minus 5 into minus 1 square minus 11 into minus 1. So minus 3 minus 5 because minus 1 cube means negative number will come because odd power. So minus 3 into minus 1 means minus 3 coming. Here even number minus 1 square means plus 1 only. But here minus 5 is there. 5 into 1 means minus 5 only. Here minus into minus plus 11 minus 3. So this will be adding means minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 minus 3 means minus 11. This will be plus 11. So total we got 0. So even 1 by 3 substitution minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 into minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 11 into minus 1 by 3 minus 3. That means you are replacing the value 1 by 1, 3 zeros. See minus here 3 into minus 1 by 3 whole cube means actually 1 by 27 will come. So but cancellation with 3 this minus 1 by 9. because 3 9s are 27. Here minus 5. 1 by 3 square means minus 1 by 3 whole square, no? This will be 1 by 9 coming, 5 into 9. But minus is there before, that's why minus. Minus into minus plus 11 ones are 11 by 3. Here minus 3 last. So do the LCM, you will get the minus 2 by 3 and plus 2 by 3 value is equal to 0. Therefore, this value is minus 3, minus 1 and 1 by 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial, because we got all everywhere 0, 0, 0 came. That means these are the roots of our solution or zeros of the given equation. Now we should take alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to minus 1, gamma is equal to 1 by 3. Yes, minus 1 by 3. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma means 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 by 3. That means sum of these three we got here we got here 2 minus 1 by 3, because 3 minus 1 means 2, no, minus 1 by 3. Do LCM. 3 2s are 6 minus 1 means 5 by 3. According to the formula, minus of minus 5. That means b by a, minus formula b by a, b value minus 5. Minus and minus plus 5 by 3. This and this both are equal. This is the equation. Already you learnt alpha beta. Same way getting c by a. Therefore, the relationship between zeros and coefficient should be verified in this way. Otherwise, you can solve your own way and do this. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, c by a, and alpha beta gamma. And with this equation, you can say that the relationship between zeros and coefficients are verified. Okay, this is one question. Next, one more important is graph sum. Graph sum. Just I have plotted all. So you observe this one. Afterwards plotting also I shall tell to you. See, entire this is so plotting the points, different values. Where it is getting 0 means here in the place of minus 5 and see in this place 0 getting. That solution I shall tell you. What is the solution of this graph? So 19th question, that is x square minus 25. X square minus 25 graph they are asking. X square minus 25. See, this is the question. X square minus 25 touches x-axis. Find the points, hence find the zeros also. See, this is the given question. So how the solution is solving means p of x is equal to x square minus 25. So x square minus 25 you can turn it as x whole square minus 5 whole square. P of x is equal to x minus 5 into x plus 5, because in the form of a square minus b square formula, a minus b into a plus b. P of x is equal to 0. Now x minus 5 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0 means x is equal to plus 5 value coming. X plus 5 is equal to 0 means just transfer that side, minus 5 coming. So if you suppose you are plotting these points, see, plotting these points, values are coming like this. See, entire values. So we got minus 5 comma 0. How it is coming means just plot those values and you will get the graph. Yes, you will get the graph. Entire points you should take as, see, here actually x square minus 25, no, minus 6 square means 36, 25 minus 25 means 11, 36 minus 25, 11. Here minus 5 square means different values you are taking. 5 minus 5 square means 25, 25 minus 25 means 0. Here 4 square 16 minus 25 minus 9 coming, because this is the more value. X square minus 25 you are adding means the value is y. So after that minus 6 comma 1, minus 6 comma 11 1 point, minus 5 comma 0 this point. As like that you can understand each and every point. You plot this in the graph. What kind of graph will come means I shall show that graph. Plotting a point is you should solve properly, then you will get. Yes, you must write on the top corner of the right corner on x-axis, that is scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units, because it is not adjustable. More values are there. Negative value up to minus 25 is there. That's why we are taking. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units you should take. This is horizontal x-axis. Vertical line is y-axis, take like this. Yes, graph will come. After plotting you will get the points. So first point, minus, see here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like this. Negative x-axis, positive axis 1, 2, 3, 4, positive x-axis. After plotting the value, just I shall make it reduce, because it is not appeared entire. Graph sum is very compulsory, very important question. It will come. So as like this, yes, parabola will come. Okay, understood children? This is the vertex of the parabola. End point is vertex point. Okay children, if you are joining like this, you will get this entire plotting of graph. Okay, how it is coming, you might have observed. Okay, parabola means that, and this up and down I am showing. Okay, very clearly plot that points. Plotting of graph you understood means you will get this 8 marks question as a big question. Okay children, have a nice day. Thank you children. Do the chapter wise sums means you will get the out of marks 100 in mathematics. So don't forget, practice well, and whenever you have time, you take at least for 50 marks means 1 hour you are finishing means you will get out of marks. So okay, thank you.